How to track and manage subscription cancellations in WooCommerce with Google Sheets. Let's jump in. First things first, make sure FunnelKit Automations is connected to Google Sheets. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to FunnelKit Automations, head to Connectors, and click Connect. Sign into your Google account, and you're ready to go. Once you're connected, let's create a new automation. Start by giving your automation a suitable name. Next, select the Subscription Status Changed event trigger under WooCommerce. This trigger ensures that the automation kicks in every time there's a change in the subscription status. Now it's time to configure the trigger event. Click on the trigger to adjust the subscription status settings. Set the From Status to Active and the To Status to Canceled. Additionally, choose the specific subscription product for which you want to track cancellations. This setup will ensure the automation is triggered whenever a subscription is canceled. With the trigger configured, let's move on to the action that will send the subscription cancellation data to Google Sheets. Navigate to the Send Data section, choose Insert Row under Google Sheets, and click Done to add the action. Next, it's time to set up your Google Sheets. Open a new spreadsheet in a separate tab and copy the sheet ID. Remember, the ID is the part of the URL between d/ and /edit, not the entire URL. After copying the ID, paste it into the Enter Google Spreadsheet ID field on your automation setup page and click on Get Sheet to synchronize with your spreadsheet. If your spreadsheet has multiple sheets, be sure to select the one where you need the data to go. Now, let's specify which Google Sheet column will store which data. In the Data section, click on Add New and use merge tags to pull in the necessary information from the Contact section and WooCommerce Subscription section. For instance, you can add the subscriber's name, email address, subscription items, and the start date of their plan. Seeing the start date will help you determine whether newer subscribers or long-term ones are canceling more frequently. Once you've configured the data fields, hit Save to finalize your automation. Don't forget to activate the automation by toggling it to Active. To ensure everything is working as expected, you can manually cancel a subscription to test the automation. After the cancellation, check the connected Google Sheet. You should see the cancellation details neatly populated in the sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a WooCommerce to Google Sheets integration to track and manage subscription cancellations. Ready to add Google Sheets integration and need help? Shoot us an email at support@funnelkit.com. Happy selling!